Hey, this is Rob with Jupiter Bike. Today we're going to show you the unboxing of our Defiant Fat Tire electric bike. So we're going to start by opening up the box and pulling the Defiant out. And this is what your Defiant looks like out of the box. So now we're going to remove all of the zip ties and all the packaging from the Defiant. Now that we're done unpacking the Defiant, we're going to start the assembly. First, we're going to lift the handlebar stem up halfway. We're going to lift up on the latch lock and pull the latch down. Finish lifting up on the handlebar stem and then lock it in place. Next, we're going to remove the handlebar latch. Next, we're going to install the handlebar on the open latch. Make sure the grooves are in the middle of the handlebar latch, then put the lock back in place. Next, we're going to install the seat by loosening the seat latch and inserting the seat post. You're going to want to flip your Defiant over to install the front wheel. When you flip it over, make sure you rest the handlebar on something soft that's not going to scratch the LCD screen. Your Jupiter Bike Defiant comes with this bag, which includes the axle for the front wheel. Unscrew the bottom nut off of the front wheel axle and remove that and the front wheel and one of the springs. Then insert the axle through the middle of the wheel and attach the nut on the other side. Next, we're going to mount the front wheel on the front fork, making sure the disc rotor sits inside the caliper. Then twist the nut and lock down the front wheel. Next, we're going to install the pedals. Keep in mind the left and the right pedal are threaded differently. The left will have an L on the middle, the right will have an R, and the left one will be reverse threaded. Tighten it as much as you can by hand, and then finish it off with the included multi-tool. Next, we're going to install the kickstand. Place the kickstand behind the plate, and then reattach the bolts. Tighten it down with the included multi-tool. Next, we're going to install the headlight. The bolt, wing nut, and washer for the headlight come in the same bag as the front wheel axle skewer. Put the bolt through the housing and install the wing nut on the other side. Put on your helmet, pump up the tires, and you're ready to ride. This is a great bike that's going to give you a lot of fun riding. If you should have any problems with it, please give us a call or check out our support website at support.jupiterbike.com, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to see all the latest videos from Jupiter Bike.